Hello friends, how are you all doing? Thank you so much for liking my first video. I am Putul and I'm again back with a new video. I hope you like it more than the previous one. Just a tip, the previous video was for a Mother's Day card, but you can change the caption and you can use it any way. You can use it as a happy birthday, happy anniversary, any kind of card. So if you have not watched that video, please do watch it, and also this video do like, share and comment, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel so that I can continue giving my love to you. I can continue creating new content for you. Now without a further ado, let's jump into the video. So friends, I am taking a paper to represent a wall. On this paper we will be using nothing but a simple cello tape. This tape we will be cutting and pasting along the height of this paper, and here the important point is the sticky side has to be up. We are keeping it in place by folding it over so that it sticks, keeping some distance for the adjustments. Now I am taking a spare sheet of paper. This we had done some coloring, and so I am using it as you can use any form of colored paper, a spare paper, rough paper, newspaper, anything that you want. So what I am doing here is I am folding it into several halves. See, I have made it a smaller piece of paper by folding it several times. This helps us in cutting and making many pieces at a time. So I am just using a simple pair of scissors and cutting it down. So what we will be doing now is taking these small pieces, we will be putting it on the tape. So now since the sticky side is up, these papers will easily stick on it. Here I am using papers. You can use anything that you want and you want to decorate. You can use buttons, some stickers, some cutouts, anything that you feel can decorate. So here I am continuing it with the sticking of the papers. We will be cutting more pieces of paper as we go along, so that we do not waste, and when fan is running or any wind is blowing, these pieces might blow off. To help us with the convenience, let us cut as we go along. If you want, you can cut them prior to pasting, and then you can put it in a bowl or any container, and then you can paste it along. So parallel to the first strip, several strips as per your convenience, as per the your liking, you can place several strips side by side and continue pasting. So see, this is how it looks after completing with 4 strips. So when we are using it as a decoration or a background for a wall, we can use such kind of strips, paper strips in between. Here I will be using these stickers because these were handy on this middle strip. You can use any cutouts, and since this sticky side is up, any kind of cutout can also be pasted. But here I am using these stickers. वाओ, हाउ प्रिटी इट लुक्स. थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस आया, थोड़ा कलर स्कीम चेंज हुई, हाईलाइट होके पॉप हुआ, तो कितना अलग लग रहा है. एंड इट इज़ जस्ट सिंपल बेसिक थिंग्स, ज़्यादा स्किल्स नहीं चाहिए. बस इसको आप चाहिए तो ऐसे ही एज पेपर पे करके और आप वॉल पे लगा सकती है, डायरेक्टली वॉल पे कर सकते हैं. पीछे बहुत अच्छा बैकग्राउंड लगता है. लुक्स अमेजिंग. आई एम गोइंग अ स्टेप फॉरवर्ड. मेरे पास ये कुछ बीड्स हैं, सम काइंड ऑफ लेसी बीड्स, जो मैं इसके ऊपर, ये छोटे छोटे फ्लावर्स हैं, ये मैं इधर स्प्रेड कर दूँगी ऐसे ही अनइवनली, विच विल स्टिक हियर. और बाद में थोड़ा हाथ से प्रेस करके जस्ट टू कीप इट इन प्लेस. थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे एडजस्ट करके, as per your liking. There is no hard and fast rule. It's just the creativity that flows. जैसा आप चाहें आप आपके हिसाब से सोच के कर सकते हैं. I hope आपको ये अच्छा लगेगा. This is how it is coming up. You can use it as a background. This technique can be used as a background for a card, or you can just use this as a card, attach as a sheet of paper. To know what I have done next, do wait for my next video. Thank you.